Today we are looking at addition of fractions in grade 5. And remember, most of our children have challenges with fractions, decimals, and percentages. And we need to make sure that in grade 5 they get the correct foundation and the correct consolidation. When we're adding fractions, we have to emphasize to them that we will add fractions when the denominators are the same. If they are different, we have to find equal fractions. We need to help them realize the equivalent fractions from the fraction net or the fraction strips. I hope all of us, we have this chart. We show them the equivalent fractions on the chart. They can even have the maths where they can look and see the equivalent fractions. Remember, you are preparing them for abstract work where they're not going to use the charts, but they will use things like formulas, finding the common denominator, and the like. The equivalent fraction must be in quarters in our case here, where we have 1/4 plus half. So we need to set our fraction in quarters. So we look at the chart and see how many quarters are there in a half. We have to go through these stages with our learners. And once we help them to do that, they will start being able to use the charts and to get the equivalent fractions. And we would have introduced them to a very important concept. 1/4 plus half, they will have to find what half is equal to, or how many quarters are there in a half, and there it is 2/4 in a half. Then they come down and they add and get their answer. Remind them that they do not add denominators. That is very important. They do not add denominators, they add numerators. I hope this helps you. There are many activities also that you can find in the learner's book and also in the workbook. This should be able to help our learners to understand the addition of fractions and introduce them to the complex fractions that they will do in grade 6. Have a great day.